Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. I'll be discussing its recent trading history, and I'll also be trying to identify the key technical levels that you need to know. So we have a new month for the Aussie. It did put in a bullish close in September. It managed to close the month around 76.55. We're currently sitting around 76.77 now, having been as high as 76.90 today in trading. We did have a spike up on the RBA, no change in the interest rate there, and no real change in their policy. So we did have a minor spike up on the fact that they didn't cut rates, but we've fallen back down slightly, and we're currently sitting just above where we closed on Monday. So at the moment, the Aussie dollar is offering really, I think, one of the most interesting opportunities out there for forex traders. If you can see here, this red down-sloping trend line, which is really defining the down move, we've finally been able to break above it, and it's set at 76.66. Each month it gets a little bit lower because it's a down-sloping trend line, but we did manage to break above it, and we're now sitting around 10 pips above it, around 76. So if traders want to know really the key technical level to watch for the breakout on the Aussie, it currently sits on this trend line break around 76.66. So as long as we're above this line, then we are bullish on this pair. So it's really something to note, because we have not been above this trend line in a long time, and I think you can count that in years. So it really is something to watch for the Aussie, and if we can stay above here for the day and it looks strong, then we could definitely have a breakout to attack those yearly highs. If we do lose this trend line and traders want to get a better price lower, the key areas to watch really are 75.20, and the key area for the moment will be 75.80. So we may get a pullback to those areas if we do break back down below this trend line. Alternatively, if we do head up from here and keep the bullish momentum, we need to attack last month's high around 77.36. If we can break that, then we'll be making strides towards the yearly high of 76.60 to 70, and then we can try to attack that crucial 80 level. But it's really interesting that we've broken this trend line early in the month, and we can see if the Aussie can keep the momentum today and head up there. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades biggest market movers.